All right, welcome to our Kincaid, where today I'm going to share 3 really cool things about this home, along with something really incredible about a new incentive we have. If you choose this home before the end of the month, you have an opportunity to save up to $100,000 in payments. You heard me right. I'm going to explain at the end of this video. The first feature that I wanted to tell you about in this amazing floor plan is the huge area for entertaining. This whole great room and kitchen area has vaulted ceilings, but one of the things that people don't recognize is how large this space is for entertaining in. You can set up a table that seats 12, add in leaves to it, expand it out, and still have plenty of room for all of your guests on those 2 days out of the year that you have everybody over, as well as seating for 4 at the island. It's easy for you to get 20 people seated for dinner in this amazing floor plan. The second thing I want to tell you about, although it should be the fact that you have a half-acre home site, so you got a giant yard, is not the second thing I want to tell you about, but I want to tell you about the great built-in 4 bedrooms with 3 full baths on this plan. This is one of the only floor plans in this neighborhood that you get that many bedrooms, that many bathrooms, and the cool thing is the front bedroom, just off to the right of the entryway, could also be used as a flex room. So if you needed a study, then you got a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath with a study. All right, the third feature I want to share with you is we actually designed this home to be able to make it through the zombie apocalypse. Now, you might be wondering, what am I talking about? Zombie apocalypse? Okay, let me explain. If the zombies do come, you're going to need to store up a lot of food to make it through. And so right behind this door, we have the solution. I mean, tell me you can't store a lot of food in here. Look at this thing. I could get lost in here. It's gigantic. There is so much storage in here that even if you wanted to, it could double as a space where you could make your husband sleep at night if he, if he's not being a good guy. You could lock him in there, put some food in there. It's not spousal abuse as long as, he's got food to sustain. So kind of a multi-purpose room here in the pantry. Pretty cool, huh? All right, and last but not least, I want to tell you about this incentive we have right now. It is the best incentive in the 35-plus year history of Shaw Homes. Right now, we have a huge incentive that we're using to buy down your interest rate. If you've been waiting for rates to come down, they're down today at Shaw Homes. And it's not just an introductory 1 year, like, okay, we'll give you a great rate the first year. No, this is locked in for the entire life of your loan. We are going to buy down your rate so far that it will be as if you bought a home $100,000 less than this. That's how low your payment is going to be. Like it's a $100,000 lower priced home. But instead, you get this great half-acre with all these great features in our Kincaid. Let us get you in and show it to you today or any one of our other great move-in ready homes.